I'm Chris Lamotte from Van All Windows, and I'm the sales manager here, and I wanted to talk to you about our horizontal sliding patio door. The patio door comes basically in white, but you can also get it in several different customized colors if you choose. You can get color outside, you can get color inside, and you can also get 2 different colors. The patio slider has a double mortise lock, which I'll showcase here. Basically, you have to press this pin in order for this to activate. So if this was to accidentally close, you can't lock yourself out from the house. By depressing the pin, lock activates both up and down, so somebody can't lift it off the hook, which is a safety feature that's built into the door. To unlock it, just simply pull the lever back up. If you slide all the way down to the bottom here, you'll notice that we have an aluminum sill plate. This is built into all of our patio doors. It is standard. That is there to protect the vinyl from step overs and damage. You also get a couple of handle options. We have showcased here the crest handle, which has a square design, which is good for more modern looks, but we also have an option that has a D handle for those people who are used to that type of handle. So the window comes in, or the patio door comes in both double pane or triple pane for those people who are looking for their higher efficiency. You also have all the low E options available to you that we have in our bank of offering. And it comes with a screen, which is standard and customary. Note that the screen can be closed and also comes with a locking feature so that for those pets and young children, you can keep them in without having to worry about them sliding that open with their noses or their little hands and getting out. All right, so some of the other standardized pieces that come with your patio door, we got stainless steel roller systems so that they'll last in our climate zone. An interlocking system, so when the window closes or the door closes, it actually locks into itself, so high wind can't separate the 2 panels and allow wind and rain to drive through the center. The door is actually built with steel or aluminum reinforcing, depending on the size. We have to up the tensile strength of that product. These doors also come with options for what you can get. So you can get a 5-foot, you can get a 6-foot, you can get an 8-foot, you can get a 10-foot and 12-foot, 16-foot. Those are the options that are standardized, and then you can get custom sizes. So should you need something that doesn't quite fit the standard hole, we can customize that patio door for you. You can get a fixed slider, which is basically an XO. You can get a fixed slider fixed, which is like a 3-panel. And then you can get basically a 4-panel that opens up from the center, so you can have 2 opening panels, nice wide opening on those larger doors if you have a nice wide opening to fit these into. Here's an example of our 4-panel door, which comes in the larger sizes, so 12s, 10s, and also 16s, plus the customized sizing. 2 panels, large opening, closing up, and sealing up right at the center point. Come on down, check out our patio doors here in our showroom, and see all the other options that we have for you in our window series as well.